Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine layers using the Pixlr app. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one photo that you want to edit. Then after choosing the photo, you have to add the layer. Now here you can find the option of tools. Go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on to double exposure button right here. Now tap on to add original and choose one photo that you want to add the layer to. Just like this. Now to combine the layers, here you can see different options right here. Now choose one option that you would like to add it. Just like this. Now you can see the photo has been combined. Now you can also add the intensity just like this. Now you can see the photo is combined. And that's it. This is how you can combine layers using the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.